'11 Suzuki SX4.
Ah, there we go. That's what it is.
So this car has a little bit of a backstory. I had a friend get a hold of me, and he heard about the nonprofit that we're doing, Cars for Giving, and he was telling me that he had his vehicle, he got a new one, he didn't need it anymore, it was sitting at his work, just sitting around not doing anything. It got vandalized, somebody broke the window, got into it, stole his license plate, and when he called me, he's like, look man, the car runs and drives. I would hate to see it go to the junkyard. I would love to donate it, but if you can't come get it within the next couple days, it's looking really bad at my work right now with the broken window, and it has to go. All right, so we went up to go get the vehicle. We had to drive a couple hours to go get it. And when we got there, the battery was dead. No big deal, we were able to jump start it. I also had a flat tire, and if you look, the rim is bent. So we'll have to get a new rim for it, but we were able to put the spare tire on it and drove the thing all the way back. It definitely has a couple issues that we know about. We know that it needs a window. There's already a side view mirror that's broken. We'll see what we can do about cleaning some of this up. Body work isn't really a necessity for a car driving down the road. It needs a light. So we're just gonna kind of go through it, and just want you guys to know, just because this car looks like it belongs at the junkyard doesn't mean that it does. We're gonna take you through the process, and we're gonna clean this thing up and make it a good automobile. We've got the Suzuki in the shop, and we're gonna take a look at it and give it a complete vehicle inspection. All right, we're gonna start under the hood like we always do. Kind of look everything over. This one's got plastic trying to hide everything from me. Let me in. Let me in, car. I want to see you. Ta-da! Rat house. Ooh, look at that. Okay, definitely been a rat living up in here, so we'll want to get rid of all of his evidence. Ooh, wouldn't have to put an air filter in it. Ooh, oil doesn't look dirty. Next question is there oil actually in it? Hello, McFly. Okay, well, oil change. That's cool. Yep, it's got coolant in it. Okay, I mean, it's dirty, but I don't see anything major other than cleaning and changing the oil. Maybe an air filter. So let's get it up in the air. Got it up in the air, so we're gonna shake all the wheels down before we pull the tires off. Feels tight. A little noisy. Everything's solid though. It's got drum brakes. They're probably rusty. We'll take a look at them. The brake pads are awesome. You can kind of see in here. They look brand new. The rotors are a little rusty and ugly looking. Anything leaking here, but there is something leaking from here. So we'll take a closer look at that once we get it higher up in the air. Pads are good. Rotor's not as rusty as the other side. Nothing yelling, fix me now, Jules, fix me now. You can do it. Oh, it looks, oh my gosh! That is so scary. There's no brake pad. What? Are you serious? There's no brake pad. That is scary. We drove this thing for hours on the freeway. Oh man. We need a tow company. Someone start towing these cars to us. That's scary. Go look at the other side. Why is there no brake pad? And the other side's missing the brake pad on the outside. That's scary. And this thing drove here. Hello, Spider. Oh, look, a brake pad. Look at that brake pad. Wow. Let's look at the other side again. No brake pad. And we drove this thing here, and nobody died. And the car actually stopped. It's kind of scary. Up and away! Check underneath this thing. Give everything a quick visual. See if we can find anything other than a brake pad missing. I think that brake caliper is probably seized and someone changed the brakes and couldn't get the piston to push in. And they're like, well, it's seized, so, you know, it can't apply brakes, and who cares if there's no brake pad, and you just have 3 brakes instead of 4. It's a back brake. It's only 30% of the braking. Okay. I think I might want to remove this to get a better visual in there. Yummy. So definitely leaking some engine oil maybe here. That looks fresh. I think we have a significant oil leak we may want to identify. Hello? Broken car. Do you want fixed? No, you want to go live in a junkyard? Okay, bye. Just finish ripping it off. Oh, look. It stops. It's 2 pieces. Okay. See all the oil everywhere. Okay. Okay, so we're done inspecting the Suzuki, and as far as I can tell, it looks like a vehicle worth fixing and not sending to the junkyard. We need to fix an oil leak, which looks like yes, it's a major oil leak, but it doesn't look extremely expensive to fix. We have some brake issues that we need to attend to. I mean, I would kind of like it to have a brake pad back there. And some superficial body stuff and cleaning it up, and then we can give this thing away. It is a manual transmission, so whoever we give it to will definitely have to know how to drive a stick. And it's time to get some parts.